Hey there crew, it's Mark, and a little piece of me did really think that I was gonna hold off and not open up everything inside of the 12 days advent box from Archer and all of this year. I didn't get last year's box, so I definitely had FOMO on that. And then I opened up one box, and then I peeked up two, and I thought, nope, let's just do a video and record the live unboxing of what's inside of this. So if you bought the Archer and Olive Advent box and you are a good person unlike me, you might want to skip this video as much as I'd love for you to watch, but if curiosity's got you to, stick around. And if you didn't, let's go ahead and take a look at everything inside of the box. All right, so let's do it. Let's go ahead and open up number one. If you watched my last video that I did, where I was unboxing all of these goodies that I got, then you had already seen this. So day one is an enamel pin. Little guy you can stick on a bag or on your jacket if you wanted to. Okay, this is the box that I peeked at and then I stopped myself, so I didn't even get a full look at everything inside of day two. It's a little tiny notebook. All right, we got the adorable little fox from the cover here. A7 dot grid notebook, 112 ultra thick wire bound pages. I didn't even know that this was a size. The hell is A7? Like, this is the holiday theme that we all needed, but we needed this like in everything. So little minis here. I do not know what I would do with this notebook at all, but that is day two. All right, beyond this point, it's all surprises. All right, day three is right here. Feeling very light. And that would be because we have some stickers. Got a rabbit, my first aid kit, and creativity heals. Very nice. Nice little surprise. Inside of day three. All right, day number four. I'm gonna guess that we have some type of stationery inside of here. It sounds like metal clips, and I was correct. You know it's bad when I start guessing based off of the sound. So we've seen these clips a few times now, subscription box, the Valentine's Day box. These are kind of nice. We have ourselves a coffee cup, a star, little acorn, and an open book. This is gonna be a very popular one for all the book readers out there. All right, day number five is a big one. Fingers crossed for something good. Let's see what we got. It's a box in a box. It's washi tape, no? It's a sticker roll. What kind of sticker roll do we have inside of here? Oh, I really like this a lot. So how cool is this? All right, what do we got? Dates. I don't want to rip it. So we have a tracker, notes, to-dos. We got like a flag here, to-dos, and that doesn't repeat itself there. I like this a lot. Like, these are super usable. The paper is nice and matte. Usually when they do stuff like this, it's like glossy paper and then you can't actually write on it and use it. So I like it. And then you can make it stick out of here if you want to and just kind of pull them out as you need them. But because they're not all the same, I feel like that doesn't make total sense, because you would be like, oh, I need to use this, and like pull out the whole roll. But this is a good one. All right, number six right here, little flat one. Oh, it's a little baby memo pad. See, the thing is like, this is cute. Don't get me wrong, but like, I don't use little tiny notepads like this very often. So I need people to give me ideas. What do you use little tiny notepads for? And little tiny notebooks? Tell me, because I have no idea. All right, we have dot grid pages. Oh, we have grid pages and lined pages. Oh, and more dot grid. All right, I like it. But what do I do with it? I do not know. All right, number seven is a little bit of a bigger box. It's kind of shaped like the one that had the sticker roll in it. So let's see what we got. We got washi. New packaging on this. Nice flannel. Matches my shirt a little bit, maybe. And then this is a nice one. It has the little reindeer on it. You got the little bear, the fox, all the little characters from the front of the box. So that's fun. All right, time for number 8. Velvet adhesion ribbon. Okay. No idea what I would even do with that. All right, lucky number 9. Let's hope for no more adhesion tape stuff. Oh, it's a little tiny bag. Arch and Olive. I guess for your accessories, it looks like a little change purse to me. It's very nice. Not something that I would necessarily use, but you know what? You can't choose what's in your advent box. All right, number 10. So 3 to go. Let's see what we got. Lucky number 10, lucky number 10. Oh yes, oh yes. Is this stamps? It is a stamp. I'm so happy right now. All right, so you have a nice little easy stamp here, days of the week, little calendar, pop that down. I love these things so much. I have, not this one exactly, but similar ones to it because it's just that great. So this, yay, I'm super happy about this one. I knew number 10 was gonna be a lucky one. All right, we are down to the last 2. It's number 11. It's a thin one, the thinnest of the bunch. Oh, little bookmarks. These are nice. I like these a lot, actually. I like them because they're magnetic, so they don't have to go into the top of your page. Easily snap them together. Great for reading if you are a reader. If not, great for your notebook and if it's a page holder. That's a good one too. All right, and on the 12th day of Christmas, Archer and Olive gave to me another little tiny notebook. This icon right here, let me just tell you, if this was on a regular size notebook, I think it'd probably be like one of the top best sellers because it is awesome. If you like the outdoors, if you like to hike, if you are a person who doesn't like the frou-frou kind of stuff, like the trees like this, yes, yes, yes. Put this on a big notebook for me. I still have no idea what I'm gonna do with these little tiny baby notebooks. Like I need a lot of inspiration. We need to figure it out, but it's you know, it's cool. It's a little tiny notebook. All right, box is empty. We've gone through all 12 days. This was a nice little mini advent calendar thing. Little surprises throughout. I'm trying to think like $75 worth. You know that I'm always honest with you. No, I don't think this was $75 worth of stuff here. I think there's nice little things that are here for sure. Like I said, like this little notebook, give this to me full size all day long. Love it. Think it's great. The woodblock stamp, fantastic. And you know what? Maybe I'm sitting here saying like, is it worth it or not? I'm sure maybe it is when you add it all up, but like these are worth it to me. Like these are things that I like, so maybe that's why. And I definitely think that washi was super nice this time around, and this little sticker roller cool too. Like those are some of my favorite items that are inside of here. The problem that I have is I don't know what to do with these little tiny notebooks. I have zero idea. So I need you to help me out and let me know, what do we do with little baby tiny little notebooks? Like are they just little like creative thoughts of the day or little drawings, or like do I start making little tiny stamps to go inside of here? That becomes my little stamp swatch book, maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to think of ideas. So let me know in the comments how I can use these little guys. And also let me know what you think about this too. You know, if you got this and you've already opened everything up like me, what are your thoughts on it? If you didn't get one and you're like kind of have FOMO about it, now that you saw everything inside of here, what are your thoughts? Do you think that you are like sad you didn't get some of these things? Or are you kind of like, no sweat off my back? You save me some money here. Thank you. I will buy myself something that I really want. 2 notebooks. I'm not mad at myself at all for opening everything up. Honestly, it was super fun. It was just like little gift boxes. I don't know how I would have felt opening one each day. I probably would have had the same exact thoughts like, oh, this is a cool thing to have today. Or what in the hell am I going to do with velvet tape? I do not know. But I'm really excited about the things I have and just start using them. I don't know. I got to find a use for this. Like I really like the design of this notebook. I just don't know what to put in a little tiny notebook. So you're going to help me out there and let me know. Maybe we'll do some future videos with little tiny notebooks. All right, friends, I'll talk to you. See ya.